parent to child, child to parent SOQL1080p. We are starting with parent to child SOQL1080p. I have two objects here, object 1, object 2. Both these objects are connected by master detail relationship or lookup relation. Only when you have master detail field or a lookup field, both these objects will be connected. Am I right? Two objects are said to be connected only when they have a master detail relationship or a lookup relationship. Now, this is a parent object. This is a child object. It is a parent object, it is a child object. In the parent object, I have some field like parent field 1, parent field 2. We have child field 1. What is our field? It is a lookup field or a master detail field. We have our field. It is a lookup field or a master detail field. Two objects are said to be connected to each other. Two objects are said to be connected to each other. Two objects are said to be connected to each other, where both of them are connected by using a field called R field. Now the question is, who created that field? Is it the SalesForce who created the field, or is it the user who created the field? If the SalesForce created, it is a standard relationship. If user created, it is a custom relationship. Who created this relation? SalesForce or user. If the SalesForce created, it is a standard relation. If user created, it is a custom relation. Are clear? Now look at the format. Now, if SalesForce has created this field, then we have list of parent. Listen to the query. How you write a query? List of parent. Result equal to select parent field 1, parent field 2, comma, select child field 1, child field 2 from childs. From what? Childs, plural form of the child object. From, if the relation is created by the SalesForce, if the SalesForce has created this relation, the relation between these two objects is established by the SalesForce, then we are going to write the query in the form of select parent field 1, parent field 2, comma, select child field 1, child field 2 from childs, plural form of the child object from parent. This is the way we write the query. To demonstrate this, I am taking two objects. Look at the format, account and contact. When you look at the account object and contact object, who created the relation? Go back to this. There is a relation between account and contact. Who created the field? SalesForce created. That is called standard relation. As the SalesForce has created the relation, it is a standard relation. Then what I am doing here? If the SalesForce has created, what are the fields we have in the account object? Name, phone, account type. This is an account object. In the contact object, we have, what are the fields in the contact object? Last name, first name, account is a lookup to. Who created this field? SalesForce created the field. Then, how to fetch account record with the corresponding contacts? I want to write a SOQL query to fetch all the account records with the corresponding contact records. Who created the relation? SalesForce created the relation. Then how do you write a query? List of account ACCS equal to, then tell me, select name, phone, type, comma, select last name, first name from contacts from Why am I using plural form? An account may have number of contacts. One account may have number of contacts. Account is a parent, contact is a child. So parent record may have one child or a group of child. Parent record may have one child or a group of child. Are you getting my point? I may have one child or I may have group of child. That is the reason how I am writing. Select name, comma, phone, comma, type, comma, select name, first name from contacts. Are you clear about this? When was this? If the relation is created by SalesForce. Now, look at the format. Let us go to the next. Let us go to the next one. Now, two objects are connected. Let us say account and opportunity. Account and opportunity. Now, if you go to account and opportunity, who created the relation? Go to opportunity object. Go to the opportunity object. On the opportunity, what is the field we have? Account. What type of field is this? Lookup account. Who created the relation? SalesForce has created. If the SalesForce has created the relation, how do you write the query now? In the opportunity, we have opportunity name, stage name, close date. Now tell me how the query will be written. List of account ACCS equal to, query is going to be select name, phone. I'm going to write select opportunity name, stage name, close date from opportunities, from who created the relation? SalesForce created the relation. Who created the relation? SalesForce created the relation. This is how we write the SOQL query. It is called parent to child SOQL query when SalesForce has created the field. When the SalesForce has created the relation field. If user has created, we have different format. Any query on this? People are clear with this? People are now. I am trying to write a parent to child SOQL query when two objects are connected by custom relation. I am not interested whether it is a standard object or a custom object. We are not worried. Parent object is a standard or a custom. Child object is a standard or a custom. We are not worried. We are only worried whether the lookup field or a master detail field is created by SalesForce or user has created. We are not worried about whether it is a standard or a custom object. We are only worried about whether the relation is a standard relation or a custom relation. In this example, if the lookup field is a custom field. So what do you mean by custom field? User created the lookup relation. Who created the lookup relation? User created the lookup relation. If user has created the lookup relation, how the SOQL query will be written? Look at the format. If two objects are connected by lookup relation and the relation is created by the user, then the SOQL query will be like this. List of parent, result, select parent field 1, parent field 2, select child field 1, child field 2 from childs underscore R from, it should be what? Childs underscore R. Because it is a custom relation, I have to use underscore R. Childs underscore R. R stands for relation. Right. Now, let us take two objects. Now, I have taken two objects here. I have customer object. I have payment object. In the customer object, I have some fields like name of the customer, city, name of the customer, city. What is the other one I give? Date of birth. Whereas in the payment, I give mode of payment, amount, and I give a field called customers, which is lookup. So who created this relation? We created the relation. Then how do you write a SOQL query now? Look at the format. List of customer. Customers equal to select name, select standard field name, city, date of birth, comma, mode, sorry, select mode, amount from payments, payment underscore R from, I have given select mode comma amount from payments underscore R from payments underscore R. Look at the format. Select city, date of birth, select mode amount from payments underscore R from. Are you clear about this? Why are you taking underscore R? Because the customer is a lookup, which is a custom lookup field. The field was custom lookup field. It is not created by the SalesForce. It is created by the user. Okay. Now let us take one more example here. I have employee. When you go to the employee object, look at the employee object. On employee object, we have master detail to what? Contact. So contact is a master, employee is a child. So who has created this relation? User. Relation between contact object and your employee object. Who created? User. As I told you, we are not worried whether parent object is a standard object or a custom object, whether child object is a standard object or a custom object. We are only worried about whether the relation is standard relation or custom relation. Now in this case, tell me how do you write in SOQL query? Contact is a parent. If contact is a parent, how do you write in SOQL query now? List of contact, result equal to select. What are the fields we have in contact? Select last name, first name, comma, select. In the employee object, what are the fields we have? City, phone, select. From employees, from. I hope you are clear with this. If the relation is a custom relation, underscore R. If the relation is a custom relation, we are going to have underscore R. Am I clear with this format? Parent to child. Every parent record may have group of child. Every parent record may have group of child. Are you clear with this? Now, the question is, look at the format. I am going to take it. Write a SOQL query, listen to the format. Write a SOQL to fetch account record with corresponding contacts, opportunities. Write a SOQL query to fetch all the account records with the corresponding contacts, opportunities and cases. So how do you write the query now? List of account ACCS equal to select name, industry, comma, select last name, first name from contacts. Then we have select stage name, close date from opportunities, comma, select stage priority from cases from account. So account record with the corresponding contacts, opportunities and cases. We can write multiple in a single statement. I hope you are clear with this. People are clear with this? Right. Now, I want to take a simple example. I hope you are clear with this example. Parent to child SOQL query is clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? Now I have a small query. Look at this, understand. Look at this example. Write a query to fetch all the account records with corresponding contacts and put and create a map. Create a map with contact ID as a key and contact as a value. Write a SOQL query and fetch all the account records with the corresponding contacts and put contact ID as a key, contact as a value. Then how will you achieve this? Look at the point. List of account, ACCS, select name, phone, select ID, last name, first name, from select ID, last name, first name, phone from contacts from account. Now I ask you to create a map of ID and equal to map of ID comma. So what did I ask you to do? Take one by one contact and put them in a map. So how do you take a map? First we need to take account A equal to. We are taking one by one account. Every account has what? Group of contacts, right? Every account has group of contacts. A is an account. Account has a group of contacts. How do you refer to the contacts? We have to refer like for, or else I'll make it list of contact is equal to A dot. A is account. Accounts contacts. Now all the contacts of that account which are fetched using SOQL query, they are referred using what? A dot contacts. A is an account. Here what we are doing? This is an account record. How many child records are coming? It may be one or more than one. There is a reason it is what? List of contacts. Then I want to take one by one contact C. Then create a map. So how you are going to create a map? Contact map dot put C dot ID. Am I clear with this? So when you write a parent to child SOQL query, if you want to refer to the child records, parent record dot childs. Parent record dot childs. Parent record dot childs. Am I clear with this? Let me give you one more example. Write a query to fetch. Write a query to fetch account record with corresponding opportunity records. Write a query to fetch account record with the corresponding opportunities and create a map with account name as a key and list of opportunities as well. List of opportunities as well. So what I am doing here now? Write a query to fetch account record with the corresponding list of opportunities. How do you write a query? List of account ACCS equal to select name. Then we have phone. Select we have page name, close date, opportunities from. Then I want you to create a map. How do you create a map? Map of string. Why? Because account name is the key. What is the value? List of opportunities are equal to map of account name as a key, list of opportunities. Then how do you refer to one by one account? You have to take for account A, then we are going to have ACCs. This is how we got. Now what I want to do? Create a map. ACC map dot put. What is the key? A dot name is the key. A dot opportunity is what? List of opportunities. A dot opportunity is nothing but list of opportunities. Am I clear with this? People have followed this? People have followed this? So what was that? A dot name is the key. A dot opportunity is the value. A dot opportunity means a list of opportunities for this account. Are you clear? Clear? People have followed this example. Any query on this? So account corresponding childs. A dot childs. A dot childs.